Why me? Is a common question that emerges when individuals are confronted with unexpected difficulties, prompting them to seek understanding and meaning in their experiences. This question reflects the human tendency to seek a justification for unfavorable events, as we grapple with a desire to comprehend the seemingly unfair distribution of life's challenges. The phrase, "why me?" can be a manifestation of the psychological process of trying to find a sense of control in situations that appear to be beyond our influence. People often ask this question during times of personal crisis, illness, or loss, as they struggle to reconcile their own suffering with their perception of a just world. The feeling of being singled out by adversity can lead to introspection and personal growth, as individuals search for lessons and strengths within themselves to overcome difficulties. Philosophically, the question, "why me?" touches on broader existential concerns about fate, destiny, and the nature of life's trials.
The phrase is not just limited to negative experiences, it can also be asked in moments of unexpected positive outcomes, expressing a sense of wonder and disbelief.
Thanks for watching this video.